Alrighty, folks, so we're going to take a look here at question number 3 from the midterm exam. So for this particular question, what we're asked to do is to estimate the product. All right, we're trying to estimate this product. Now, these problems probably seem rather silly to most people because if you have a calculator, you can simply type in 85 times 247 and we will get the exact value that we're looking for. No estimation needed. All right, the idea of estimating a product, though, when you're multiplying larger numbers like this, is to just get a basic idea of about where our answer should be. All right, so the way to do this is we use something called front-end rounding. All right, so for both of our numbers, what we're going to do is we are going to look at the highest place value. So in 85, your highest place value is here in your tens. All right, and you want to round to the nearest tens value for this particular number. So for 85, if we're using our rounding rules, remember that if you have a number 5 or higher in your ones place, since this is only a number that goes as high as the tens, you would then need to round up in your tens place. So I'm going to get a different color here and remind us that this is going to be an approximation. So the number 85, if we round it up to the nearest tens place, we get 90 times. So now let's take a look at our next number. It's 247. All right, so if we look at the highest place value here, we are in the hundreds place. All right, and we want to round this number to its nearest hundreds. That's how you properly front-end round this particular value. So since we are looking at a number in the hundreds place, we want to then look at this value in the tens place. And since it is a number below 5, right, so either a 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, which we have in this case a 4, we would round down. So rounding to the nearest hundreds, in this particular case, we get 200. So the idea is this: if you wanted to estimate this product of 85 times 247, we can say, well, that's about 90 times 200. And now to multiply 90 times 200, we really don't even need a calculator, because notice that the only two number values that you have besides the zeros are these numbers at the highest place values. We have a 9 here and a 2 here. Well, what is 9 times 2? 9 times 2 is 18. And how many place values are we looking at that have zeros? Well, we have 1 0 here, 1 0 here, and 1 0 here, 3 total zeros. So you can just tack those zeros on to the very end. So what we are saying here, folks, is that if we're trying to estimate about what this product is, 85 times 247, well, that is about 90 times 200, which we got from front-end rounding here. And then we can just multiply those values pretty easily. I do want us to look really quick, and I'm realizing I do not have my calculator open. Let me get that open really quick. Just to see what this actual product is and to show the estimation is close enough. So we have 85 times 247 is equal to, so notice that's 20,995, and we said it would be about 18,000. So it's a few thousand off, but it is still fairly close.